Good morning everyone. Welcome to Smarty channel. Today I have come up with another trick by using which you can do complex calculations with minimum use of pen and paper. So let's start the session. So in this session I will teach you how to multiply numbers by 25. So there are two ways in which you can multiply numbers by 25. First let us see the first method. So in the first method is also called division method. So I have taken a simple example 48 and into 25. I have to multiply 48 with 25. So whenever you are multiplying a number with 45 with 25, you divide that number with 4. So 48 divided by 4 will give you 12. So this will give you the left portion of the answer. Now to get the right portion of the answer, if you see after dividing 48 by 4, you are getting 0 as the remainder. That is 48 is exactly divisible by 4. Whenever the number is exactly divisible by 4, the answer will contain 2 zeros. So this is the required answer. So 48 into 25 is equal to 1200. It's as simple as this. Now let us take another number 85 into 25. 85 into 25. Now divide 85 by 4. 85 by 4 will give you 21 and you will get 1 as the remainder. So whenever you get 1 as the remainder, put 25 in the right portion of the answer. So this will give you the required answer. So 85 into 25 is equal to 2125. So 85 into 25 is equal to 2125. It's as simple as this. Now let us take another number 90 into 25. 90 into 25. Divide 90 by 4. When you divide 90 by 4, you will get 22 as the quotient and you will get 2 as the remainder. So whenever you get 2 as the remainder, you put 50 in the right portion of the answer. So this will give you the required answer. So 90 into 25 is equal to 2250. Like this you can play with numbers. Now let us take a 3-digit number. Okay, 163 into 25. So divide 163 by 4. When you divide 163 by 4, you will get 40 as the quotient and you will get 3 as the remainder. In previous case, we got 2 as the remainder, so we put 50 in the right portion of the answer. But here we are getting 3 as the remainder. So whenever you are getting 3 as the remainder, put 75 in the right portion of the answer. So 163 into 25 is equal to 4075. It's as simple as this. Let us see the last example by using this method. We have the number 256 into 25. So divide 256 by 4. 256 by 4 will give you 2 6 are 24. 256 by 4 will 4 6 are 24. 1 carry 4 4s are 16. So 64. So when 256 is exactly divisible by 4. After dividing 256 by 4, you are getting 64 and you are getting 0 as the remainder. So put 2 zeros in the right portion of the answer. So 256 into 25 is equal to 6400. It's as simple as this. So we have seen the method 1. Now let us see the method 2. So let us see the second method of multiplying numbers with 25. So here we write 25 as 5 into 5. If you remember in the early sessions, I have shown you how to multiply even numbers and odd numbers with 5. If you are not seeing that session, I am posting that video at the end of this video. You can click on the link and you can open the video and you can go through the video. So let us take the first example. Now let us take a simple example 68 into 25. So in this method what I will do is I will write 25 as 5 into 5. That is, we will multiply the number 65 with 5 twice. So let me first multiply 68 with 5. So here 68 into 5 will give you 34 340. So 68 into 5 is 340. So now again you multiply this 340 with 5. When you multiply 340 with 5, you will get 2 zeros and half of 34 is 17. So this is the required answer. So 68 into 25 is equal to 1700. So 68 into 25 is equal to 1700. It's as simple as this. Now let us take another example 82 into 25. First multiply 82 with 5. When you multiply 82 with 5, you will get 410. Okay, now you multiply this 410 again with 5. You will get 2 zeros and you will not get 2 zeros. So 410 into 5. 1 0. 41 by 2 is 205. 41 by 205. So this is the required answer. So 82 into 25. 82 into 25 is equal to 2050. 82 into 25 is equal to 2050. Now let us take another example. 65 into 25. You first multiply 65 by 5. When you multiply 65 by 5, you will get 64 means 32. 325 as the answer. So 65 into 5 is 325. Now again you multiply this 325 with 5. When you multiply 325 with 5, you will get 5 in the units place. So 324 by 2 is 162. So this is the required answer. So this is the required answer. So 65 into 25 is equal to 1625. It's as simple as this. Now let us take another example. We have 35 into 35 into 25. We have 35 into 25. 35 is the odd number. So multiply 35 once with 5. So 35 into 5 is 5 and half of the 17. So 35 into 5 is 175. Again multiply this 175 with 5. So 175 into 5 is 5 and half of 174 is 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14. So 875 is the required answer. So 875 is the required answer. So 35 into 25 is equal to 875. Now let us take the last example. 37 into 25. So multiply 37 with 5. 37 with 5 is 185. 37 with 5 is 185. Now again multiply this 185 with 5. When you multiply 185 with 5, you will get 5 in the units place, and half of 184 is 92. So this is the required answer. So this is the required answer. So 37 into 25 is equal to 925. 37 into 25 is equal to 925. It's as simple as this. So if you have really liked this video and if you want me to come up with more such tricks, then don't hesitate to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon and like my channel. In future I will be coming with more such channels. So in future I will come up with more such videos. So thank you for patiently watching my video. Have a nice day and all the best for your future. Thank you.